Hello everyone. Today we are going to make chili chicken. So what we need to make chili chicken are chicken, onion into pieces or sizes. One is small and one is big. And then capsicum, tomatoes, garlic, lemon, salt, maida, corn flour and plain fried onions. So now let's start. First what we have to do is we have to squeeze the lemon into the chicken. After squeezing it, we need to give corn flour. We have give corn flour for the crispiness of the chili chicken. Now let's give maida. After we have given maida, we have to give salt. Now after I have given salt, we have to start mixing it. So let's start mixing. Now I'll give some oil. Now the oil is hot enough. So we are going to give the chicken into the wok. Now it has turned golden brown and it is also looking crispy. So we start taking it out. It can be a little difficult taking out. Now, after the chicken is done, we are going to put the small chopped onions in the remaining oil. The onions are almost golden brown. So, we are going to put chopped garlic. Now, we are going to put capsicum into the wok. And now the onion. Let's give a good stir. Now I'll give the tomatoes into the wok. Now I'll give some salt as per taste. going to add fried potatoes. And potato is also my mother's favorite. Now the chicken will go with. Now we must notice that the capsicum and the tomato have gone soft. Now finally we have the tomato sauce, the green chili sauce and the soya sauce. Now we pour them all in the wok. Wow, it is coming out so nicely. Yeah, now it's ready. Now we will turn off the gas. Time to transfer it in a bowl. Wow, it looks so yummy. Wow, it will taste very tasty with hot white rice. See you next time.